Hi viewers, hope everyone is fine and doing good. Welcome back to Career YouTube channel where regularly discuss about upcoming teaching vacancy and latest information related to teaching and also discussed all India based states and central based competitive exam like CTET, KVS, NVS etc. So, to get free notes and free classes, stay with us. So, in this session, I discuss about rest of the Kohlberg theory and also many important PYQ questions and practice questions about the Kohlberg. So, let's start today's session. Here, level 2 is conventional moral development. This level known as moral realism. This level start 10 years and going to 14 years. In this conventional level, the child's sense of morality is personal and social relationship. In this stage, child mostly focused on social expectation. So, in this stage, child believe the rules of authority. This conventional level have also two stages. So here stage 3 is interpersonal relationship. This stage also known as good boy and nice girl orientation. So in the stage 3, the children want to approval from others pupil of society. So they continue try to showing good behavior to gain appreciation from others. Okay. So, in the good boy, nice girl orientation stage, the children always want approval, appreciation from social pupil. You can see this picture. Here, a girl get grade A on her report card and showing his mother for gain appreciation. Stage 4, law and order orientation. In this stage, child blindly believe the rules of society and also follow and obey the rules of society without questioning. In this stage, child believe rules is rules. It is fixed. The rules is fixed and it should not be changed. So, level 2, the children mostly focused society. Okay. Now, we go level 3, post-conventional moral development. This is the last level of Kohlberg's moral development theory. This level also known as morality of cooperation. This level start 14 years and going above. Okay. Throughout this post-conventional level, the person's sense of morality is defined in a term more abstract principles and value. In this stage, the pupil believed the rules is unjust. The rules is unjust and the rules should be changed if necessary. So, the post-conventional level has also two stages. Here stage 5 is social contract and individual rights. So, social contract and individual rights in this stage, the world is shows as holding different opinion, rights and value. Such perspective should be mutually respected. If the law is not welfare for pupil, then it should be changed for good of large number of pupil. So, in this stage, pupil believed rule is not fixed, rule is unjust, it is changeable when it necessary by the system. So, the last point, stage 6, universal ethical principles. This is the highest stage of moral development. So, in this stage, moral reasoning based on abstract reasoning. Okay, using universal ethical principles. So in this stage, most of the principles are abstract, not concrete. Very few people function in this stage, like Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Bhagat Singh, who are fight for large number of people. They don't care of own life. So, end of the theory. Once recapitulate the Kohlberg's moral development theory. This theory have 3 levels and 6 stages. So here first level is pre-conventional level and the first stage is obedience and punishment orientation. So in this first stage, child's mentality is follow the rules for avoiding punishment. Okay. In the first level, pre-conventional, the child's sense of morality is absent. Okay. Now go to the level 2 conventional level. Here stage 3, good boy and nice girl attitude. That's mean in this stage, child mostly focused on social expectation, social approval, appreciation. Okay. Next, stage 4, law and order orientation. In this stage, child blindly believe the rules without questioning, and they also believe rule is fixed, not changeable. So here, child's mentality of morality is loyalty to law and order. Okay. Next, third level, post-conventional level. Here stage 5 is social contact orientation, where pupil believe the rule is changeable if necessary. Stage, pupil justice and the spirit of law. Okay. And the last level, universal principles of ethics. This is the highest level of morality. Here, pupil fight for large number of pupil. Here, the pupil do not care about own life. Here, example is Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela. Okay. I think you understand the Kohlberg's moral development theory. So now discuss some criticism of Kohlberg's moral development theory. Carol Gleiger criticized the Kohlberg's moral development theory. Okay. Carol Gleiger. Carol Gleiger believed that girls' reasonings are different from boys' reasoning. Girls and women mostly focus on maintaining an interpersonal relationship. And the Kohlberg totally avoid the feministic perspective. Kohlberg's samples are biased because when Kohlberg choose samples, he only choose only boys, not girls. So this theory biased on feministic perspective. Feministic perspective. These here samples are biased. Okay. Next, hypothetical situation or imaginary situation. Here, Kohlberg's not used practical situation, and this theory is not applicable for all culture. Okay. So here the 3 main points are criticized Carol Gleiger. At the end of the session, now practice some previous year questions of Kohlberg theory. So here first question, when present with Hunch dilemma, Orunima reasons the law was not set up for this circumstance. Taking the dog in this situation is not really right, but it is justified. Here option orientation towards punishment and obedience accepted law. Option B instrumental purpose and exchange. Option 3 social concern and consent. Option D morality of contrast of individual rights and of democratically. This question is seated 2024 7th July. So here what should be the right answer? Here Orunima said about justified. So here right option is option D morality of contrast of individual rights. Okay, give importance on individual rights and of democratically. Now the next question. According Lawrence Kohlberg's theory, performing an act and doing something because other approves it represent that stage of morality. Here option A, pre-conventional, option B, conventional, option C, post-conventional, and option D, formal conventional. This is CTET 2021 1st January का question है. So here what should be the right answer? In which stage children want approval? Here right answer is conventional. Good boy, nice girl orientation stage. Stage 3 and level 2. Conventional level. Next, question number 3. A child argues that Heinz should not steal the dog because he will caught and sent to the jail if he does so. According to Kohlberg's theory, which stage of moral understanding does the child fall under? Here option A, the social order maintaining orientation. Option B, the punishment and obedience orientation. Option C, the universal ethical principles orientation. Option D, the instrumental purpose orientation. 2019-70 July का question. So here what should be the right answer? Here the right answer is option B, the punishment and obedience orientation. Okay. Now go to the next question. Question number 4. Neha resisted eating sweet her mother has got for guest because she might be caught. According to Lawrence Kohlberg theory, Neha is which stage of moral development? Option A, instrumental purpose orientation. Option B, punishment and obedience orientation. Option C, universal ethical principles. Option D, good boy, good girl orientation. This is CTET 2022 December का question है. So here what should be the right answer? So here official answer is option B, punishment and obedience orientation. Okay. Today's class was up to this. Don't forget to comment. If you have liked this video, please subscribe this channel. If you have any queries, debate, please ask in comment section. And if you have any suggestion to change about topic, please ask in comment section. So share this channel with your friends who are prepared for any teaching exam.